Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the company details page. In a previous video we talked about the managed companies grid and many of the features associated with that grid. In this video we're going to go a step further and actually discuss the actual company details page. So from the managed companies page we can select a company to work with. So now we are in a company details page. There's a lot going on, so let me help organize and explain everything. The left-hand side is broken up into personal information for the company, meaning phone number, email, social media, and different account information. To edit the information on the left side, you have two ways to do it. You can either click on the information you want to update. For example, we want to update the phone number. Then we will click on the phone number. The same process goes for underneath. For example, if I want to update the number of employees, I can just click on the number of employees and I'm able to update it directly. The second option you have to update the company is the edit button in the bottom right corner. You can click on that and the edit screen pops up where you can update anything you want. Just don't forget to save your changes at the bottom. In the middle of the page, we have our company activities section, which shows you the activities, documents, opportunities, tasks, and any other custom fields you created related to this company. If you're interested in learning more on how to use custom fields, check out the specific video related to that. As you can see, each activity has an edit and delete icon. We give you the option to edit or delete each activity related to the company. And then on the right side, we have the contact that is tied or associated with this company. And you can add a contact to this company by clicking on the plus button and connecting them. Which opens up all the contacts tied to the company, and it lets you view, edit, or delete those contacts completely. So please be careful. The other option is to unmap, which removes it from this company but keeps the contact in the CRM system. One last thing is if you want to delete the company permanently, you can select the red X button in the bottom right corner, but once you do that, you delete it completely from your system, so please be careful. And that about wraps it up. You just learned a lot of the details in regards to the company details page. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.